So welcome to our unboxing of our DBPower N5S camera. We're going to take a look at what came in the camera side of the box. In another video, we'll look at the accessories that came with it. Welcome to Traveling with a Chair with Ken and Cheryl Edmonds. Please join us for our many adventures as we travel to exciting destinations and we plan for the trips to those destinations. Hi, I just wanted to go over, I got another package from Amazon. I'm always liking Amazon packages, and I got what I would consider a tool for our trip. My wife would consider it a toy, but it's a DBPower N5S action camera. We're going to Alaska on the Jewel in the late spring, and so I wanted to be able to capture more video than we normally can with our cell phone. I also wanted something that was waterproof, so if it's a rainy day I can still get some video without having to worry about my phone getting wet and damaging it. Additionally, I'm taking my granddaughter out and we're going to go halibut fishing, so I wanted something that was a little better suited for capturing that video than just a regular cell phone. So let me show you what's in the box. And see what's on this side here. We got two compartments in the box. Okay, this compartment looks like it's full of brackets. There seem to be a lot of pieces, so I'm going to wait on pulling all of those out of the way. And we'll take a look at the other side, see what we have. Oh, and here on the other side we have our action camera. Nice and compact. Looks like it has on the bottom of it a quick release type buckle. Screw here to change out your mounts. Like I said, it's in a waterproof case. I think the specifications say it's waterproof down to 30 feet or so. So it won't hurt it if it gets a little bit wet. And actually, if for those of you that snorkel and dive, might be a good choice. I picked this one out because it was really highly rated on Amazon and it was at a budget price point. So for us, we didn't want to spend the money that we would have had to on a GoPro, with the same capabilities. This seemed like a good alternate. I'll know more after I get it charged up and we can start to shoot some footage with it. For now, I'm just going to put it back in the box and I'll put some power on it here in a little bit. Anyway, so that's my DBPower, DBPower NS5 action camera and what's in the box. We'll get into what's in all the brackets and some of the things here in our next video. I did get this off of Amazon. There will be a link in the bottom of the video so that if you're interested, you can take a look at it on Amazon. If you decide to buy it, I do get a small commission. That helps me keep making the videos that hopefully you're enjoying. So the question of the day is, how do you use your action camera, or how would you use an action camera? Please put your comments in the box below, join the community, and participate in the discussion. If you enjoyed today's video, please do me a favor, hit the like button down below. Also, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more in the way of interesting videos coming about travel equipment. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.